We are praying. مونږ دعا کوو. We are praying. I am learning. زه زده کړه کوم. I am learning. I am thinking. زه سوچ کوم. I am thinking. I am resting. زه آرام کوم. I am resting. I am smiling. زه مسکی کېږم. I am smiling. You are watching. ته ګورې. You are watching. You are choosing. ته انتخاب کوي. You are choosing. You are helping. ته مرسته کوي. مرسته یعنی مدد. You are helping. He is driving. هغه ګاډی چلوي. He is driving. He is listening. هغه اوري. He is listening. He is fixing. هغه سموي. He is fixing. She is singing. هغه سندره وایي. She is singing. She is teaching. هغه درس ورکوي. یعنی هغه ټیچینګ کوي. She is teaching. They are laughing. هغوی خاندي. They are laughing. They are working. هغوی کار کوي. They are working. We are planning. مونږ منصوبه جوړوو. We are planning. We are moving. مونږ خوځېږو. We are moving. I am checking. زه چیک کوم. یعنی زه چیکینګ کوم. I am checking. I am preparing. زه تیاری کوم. I am preparing. I am improving. زه ښه کېږم یا زه بهتر کېږم. I am improving. I am deciding. زه پریکړه کوم. یعنی زه فیصله کوم. I am deciding. You are searching. ته لټون کوي. You are searching. You are comparing. ته موازنه کوي. You are comparing. You are adjusting. ته برابر کوي. You are adjusting. He is arranging. هغه ترتیب ورکوي. He is arranging. He is guiding. هغه لارښوونه کوي. He is guiding. She is selecting. هغه انتخاب کوي. She is selecting. She is organizing. هغه منظم کوي. She is organizing. She is decorating. هغه سینګار کوي. She is decorating. They are discussing. هغوی بحث کوي. They are discussing. They are cooperating. هغوی همکاری کوي. یعنی هغوی تعاون کوي. They are cooperating. We are expanding. مونږ توسیع کوو. We are expanding. We are processing. مونږ پرمختګ کوو. We are processing. I am counting. زه شمیره کوم. I am counting. I am measuring. زه ناپ کوم. I am measuring. I am recording. زه ریکارډینګ کوم. I am recording. I am observing. زه مشاهده کوم. I am observing. You are confirming. ته تصدیق کوي. You are confirming. You are requesting. ته غوښتنه کوي. You are requesting. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.